So these guys are like Zorros, you know, they're wearing black shirts, black hats, and they don't have a sword, but they got a torque wrench. And what they're going to do is tighten these bolts up, and they're going to let you understand what that's all about by listening for the click. The click says, hey, I'm tight enough, and there's an adjustment on the end of this torque wrench in foot-pounds, and you look that up in your auto manual for any part that's on the car, and it'll tell you how many foot-pounds it needs to be adjusted, and we're going to show you right now how to do that. Did you hear it? Here's one. Good job, Roy. That one was tight.